Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of survival foods from different countries. We're talking about the kind of sustenance that keeps you going when the going gets tough. The stuff that can mean the difference between making it out or not. So if you've ever wondered what people from different corners of the world rely on when the unexpected hits, you've come to the right place. Now, surviving in the wild isn't just about having the right gear. It's about knowing how to use what you've got and having the knowledge to find what you need. And trust me, knowing your survival foods is as vital as knowing how to build a fire or find shelter. If you love learning about survival tips and tricks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Alright, let's talk MREs. These are the military's go-to meals in the field, and for good reason. MREs, or meals ready to eat, are designed to be compact, calorie-dense, and easily transportable, making them ideal for soldiers on the move. Imagine trekking through dense jungle or navigating a scorching desert. You need food that's lightweight, durable, and packed with energy. That's where MREs come in. Now I know what you're thinking. Bear, those things don't exactly have the best reputation when it comes to taste. And you're right, they're not gourmet meals. But when it comes to survival, taste is a luxury you can't always afford. What matters is that these pouches are packed with enough calories and nutrients to keep a soldier going in demanding situations. The beauty of MREs is their variety. You've got everything from pasta and chicken to beef stew and even vegetarian options. And let's not forget the heaters. These little packets are a lifesaver, literally, providing a hot meal in minutes without the need for a fire. Trust me, a warm meal can do wonders for morale when you're cold, tired, and facing a challenging situation. But here's the thing about MREs. They're not just for the military. These meals are essential for anyone venturing into the great outdoors. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just preparing for the unexpected. Having a few MREs tucked away in your bug-out bag could be a real lifesaver. Remember, in a survival situation, getting those essential calories and nutrients can be the difference between staying strong and succumbing to exhaustion. And trust me, when you're out there facing the elements, you need every ounce of strength you can get. So, while they might not be the tastiest meals on the planet, MREs are a vital part of any survivalist's toolkit. They're compact, convenient, and packed with the energy you need to overcome any challenge. Just remember to pack a few wet wipes, things can get a bit messy. Now let's travel back in time and explore a survival food with a rich history, pemmican. This remarkable food has sustained generations of indigenous people across North America for centuries, and for good reason. Imagine braving the harsh winters of the Great Plains or navigating the vast wilderness. You need a food source that's lightweight, long-lasting, and packed with energy. That's where pemmican comes in. Pemmican is essentially a concentrated mixture of dried meat, fat, and sometimes berries. Think of it as the original energy bar, perfectly designed for survival. The dried meat provides essential protein, the fat offers much-needed calories, and the berries, if added, offer a touch of sweetness and essential vitamins. What makes pemmican so incredible is its shelf life. Properly prepared, this stuff can last for years, even decades. That's because the drying process removes moisture, preventing spoilage. It's like nature's way of preserving food for those lean times. Now I know what you're thinking. Bear, dried meat, and fat? That doesn't sound too appealing. And you know what? You're right. Pemmican isn't exactly a culinary masterpiece. But when it comes to survival, taste takes a back seat to functionality. What matters is that pemmican is a nutritional powerhouse, providing the calories and nutrients you need to stay alive in challenging situations. It's a testament to the ingenuity of indigenous cultures who learned to harness the power of preservation to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. So, while you might not be planning on trekking across the Great Plains anytime soon, pemmican is a fascinating example of a survival food that has stood the test of time. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, and that knowledge passed down through generations can be a lifesaver in times of need. We're continuing our journey through the world of survival foods with a true classic hardtack. This unassuming biscuit has a long and storied history, fueling sailors, soldiers, and explorers for centuries. Imagine yourself on a ship, braving the open ocean for months on end. Food is scarce, fresh supplies are dwindling, and you need something that can withstand the test of time. That's where hardtack comes in. Hardtack is, in essence, a simple bread made from flour and water, baked until it's rock hard. And I mean rock hard. This stuff is so dense, it can literally break a tooth if you're not careful. But that's the point. Hardtack is designed for longevity. The baking process removes almost all moisture, making it incredibly resistant to spoilage. Properly stored, hardtack can last for years, even decades. That's why it was a staple food for sailors who spent months, even years at sea. Now, I'm not going to lie. Hardtack isn't exactly known for its culinary delights. It's bland, it's dry, and it takes some serious jaw work to break down. Sailors used to soak it in water, soup, or even their rum rations just to make it edible. But despite its lack of flavor, hardtack was a lifesaver. It provided essential carbohydrates and calories, keeping sailors alive during long voyages. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, who found ways to make food last in even the most challenging conditions. While you might not be planning any transatlantic voyages anytime soon, hardtack is a fascinating glimpse into the history of survival foods. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective, and that even the most unappetizing food can be a source of life when you need it most. Let's journey to the southern tip of Africa and explore a survival food that's as delicious as it is nutritious: biltong. This savory, air-dried meat has sustained generations of indigenous people in South Africa, and for good reason. Imagine traversing the vast savannas and rugged mountains of this incredible landscape. You need a food source that's lightweight, protein-packed, and can endure long journeys under the African sun. That's where biltong comes in. Biltong is essentially air-dried meat, typically beef or game, seasoned with a blend of spices that give it a unique and flavorful kick. Think of it as nature's jerky, but with a depth of flavor that's truly special. The drying process not only preserves the meat, but also intensifies its flavor, creating a taste that's both savory and satisfying. What sets biltong apart is its unique blend of spices. Traditional recipes often include coriander, pepper, salt, and vinegar, creating a flavor profile that's both savory and slightly tangy. It's the kind of snack that makes you want to reach for another bite, and another, until it's all gone. But biltong isn't just about flavor. It's a nutritional powerhouse. The drying process concentrates the protein content, making it an excellent source of energy and essential amino acids. It's also a good source of iron and other minerals, making it a valuable food for sustaining energy levels during long journeys or challenging situations. While you might not be crossing the African savanna anytime soon, biltong is a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for any adventure. It's a reminder that survival foods don't have to be bland or boring. They can be packed with flavor and cultural heritage, connecting us to the traditions of people around the world. Now let's talk about a survival food that's often overlooked but packs a serious punch: canned fish. It might not be the most glamorous item in your pantry, but in a survival situation, those little tins can be a lifesaver. Imagine this. The power's out, you're far from civilization, and you need a quick and easy source of protein and essential nutrients. That's where canned fish comes in. Canned fish, whether it's tuna, salmon, sardines, or mackerel, is an incredibly convenient and shelf-stable source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. These little cans are like compact survival powerhouses, just waiting to be opened and enjoyed. One of the best things about canned fish is its versatility. You can eat it straight from the can, add it to salads, mix it with rice or pasta, or even use it as a base for fish cakes. The possibilities are endless, making it a valuable addition to any survivalist's pantry. Another advantage of canned fish is its affordability. Compared to other survival foods, canned fish is relatively inexpensive, making it an accessible option for those on a budget. And let's not forget its long shelf life. Canned fish can last for years, ensuring you have a readily available source of protein even if disaster strikes. So don't underestimate the power of the humble canned fish. It might not be the most glamorous survival food, but its convenience, nutritional value, and affordability make it a valuable asset in any survival situation. Remember, surviving isn't always about gourmet meals. It's about resourcefulness, adaptability, and making the most of what you have. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of survival foods from different corners of the globe. From the battlefields to the high seas, from ancient traditions to modern innovations, we've seen how cultures around the world have adapted and thrived by understanding the power of sustenance. Remember, survival isn't just about having the right gear. It's about having the knowledge to use what you've got and the resourcefulness to find what you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates on survival tips and tricks. Stay curious, stay prepared, and never underestimate the power of a good meal when the going gets tough. See you next time.